Hey guys, this is Vonshae. The very first thing you need to do when starting your online business or your network marketing business is market research. You need to know how many people are searching for the product and services that you have and how many competitors you have in your niche or industry. So the first thing you need to do is go to your keyword research tool. This tool I'll be using is called Jaaxy. So once you log into Jaaxy, and you'll get a free trial below in the description. Once you log in, you would put in your key phrase. Let's say you're in the weight loss niche. So we'll do lose weight. Click on find keywords. And here, your phrases will start to pop up. Keyword, lose weight, the average people that are searching for your keyword per month, the amount of traffic you would get if you showed up on the first page of Google. The QSR is the quoted search results, the number of competing websites ranked in Google for this exact same keyword. The keyword quality indicator, it shows you if it's green, it's a great keyword to go for. Yellow is okay and red is poor, stay away from it. And for your SEO difficulty score, the closer your number is to 100, the better chances you have of ranking on the first page of Google for that particular keyword. You want to try to stay in the green and have the highest SEO score as possible. So what you would do is lose weight. Yes, it's a lot of people searching for that keyword, but it's also a higher amount of competitors. So as a beginner, you kind of want to stay away from normal and you want to stay away from poor. Only thing you want to go for is great, 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 great. So in this area, and you want to start ranking fast, you want to go for the low hanging fruit. So although it may have low search volume, you want to go for low competition as well. So let's put this in order by QSR. Okay. The QSR, exercise, can I do lose weight? Well, that doesn't make sense. So you don't want to rank for a term that don't make sense. You want to rank for a term that people are actually typing in that makes complete sense. So need lose weight quickly. How many calories should I eat to lose weight calculator? If you had a weight loss calculator that you could promote, then you could go for how many calories should I eat to lose weight calculator, because people are actually typing this in Google every single month. About 210 people are searching. If you get on the front page of Google, you'll have access to about 36 people per month or even more. QSR, only 35 sites are ranking for this. And it's a great score, 91. So guess what? If you had a product that revolved around weight loss and you actually had a calculator to put on your website, guess what? This would be a great keyword. I don't have a weight loss calculator, so I couldn't use this keyword. How many calories a day to lose weight? You have 526 people a month searching. If you got on the front page of Google, that'll be about 90 people a month that'll get to your website. Your QSR, only 39 people a month are competing with you for this keyword, and your KQI is great, only 89. This is a good keyword because it's called a long tail keyword. Long tail keywords are anything with 2 or more words in your phrase or your search term. So how many calories a day to lose weight? That's a complete sentence. That's a long tail keyword. The longer the tail, the more specific that people are getting when they're searching, the better it is for you to rank for those keywords. Let's try another keyword. Hair bundles. If you're in the beauty industry, let's say hair bundles. Okay, here we go. Hair bundles. About 1,060 people a month are searching. If you got on the front page of Google, 181 people could potentially find your site and go to your site, but you compete with 130 websites that has that same phrase on their site. They're ranking for it. So what you want to do, let's put it in order from searches first. Let's do that first. Human hair bundles, 448, 77 on your traffic, competing with 123 websites. Brazilian hair bundles, 313, 54 traffic, 125, not a good one. Let's see, let's do it in order from QSR. Start selling hair bundles. These are people who are actually looking to sell hair bundles. So they're typing in start selling hair bundles. If you got on the front page of Google with this keyword, potentially 14 people a month, you're only competing with 17 websites, and you got a 99% chance. You got a 99% chance of getting on the front page of Google. Curly Brazilian hair bundles, about 7 people a month. So you think about how much is your hair bundles worth? Is it worth ranking for a measly 7 people a month to come to your website? All the traffic adds up. So you want to rank for multiple keywords, and you want to just build and build and build on every keyword that you can possibly take so that you can be ranked for multiple keywords. That way, if they're typing virgin hair bundles, Brazilian hair bundles, whatever they're typing in, that 7 plus that 5 plus that 10 plus that 20, all of those will add up. This is organic traffic. You create content around these key phrases that you just found. High search volume, low competition, or even low search volume and low competition. And you try to rank. And once you get those on the front, on the top of Google, then those organic searches will start turning into traffic, leads, and sales on your website if you have your website set up correctly. That's the second thing we're going to discuss. But the first thing first is learning how to do your keyword research. So maybe hair bundles is not the route to go. Maybe we need to say wigs. Let's see what wigs will do. Okay, human hair wigs Australia. If you're in the US, then that probably would not be a good keyword for you. Let's put it in order by average amount. Wigs women. Yes, a lot of keyword. Yes, a lot of people searching for this keyword, but it's also a lot of competition. And it's probably not really, as a beginner, you don't want to go start trying for these keywords just yet. You want to go for the low hanging fruit. So you want to keep going and keep going. And this is how you do your research to find out which keywords are best for you to go after when it's time to put up your content. Now, what is content? Content is your YouTube videos, a blog post. So long as you have something that's relating to what people are searching for, and you know how to answer their questions and make them feel comfortable to take the next step, then you have a winning strategy. So this is how you do your research. Now, with the strategy includes you having your website set up correctly so that when they take action, if they don't actually purchase that same day, then you have a way to follow up with them. So we'll get to that in the next video. Let's take one more keyword. Travel. Let's put in the root keyword. The root keyword is just one word, and you want the software to go out and do a search for you. So let's say travel and find keywords. $695,000 people are typing in travel every single month. If you got on the front page with Google, 118,000 people a month could possibly be hitting your site. But you have 255 people that's ranked for. Websites are already ranked for this particular keyword, and it's telling you, don't go after this. It's not worth it. It's not worth it to go after this particular keyword. It's not worth it for you to try to compete with these people that are already established in this niche. So you need to find you another keyword, long tail keyword. So now you say, okay, well, let me find a long tail keyword. Best places to travel in December. That's a little better, but you're still competing with 137 websites. Although it says great, so maybe you can make your articles a little more detailed, a little more niche specific, and give a better content than the people who are already ranked, and you can probably outrank them with these keywords. Best place to travel, 352, 60 traffic. If you get on the front page, you're competing with 161 website. I'll always put it in order by QSR. This QSR, best place to travel in December. One letter changes the whole game. Best place to travel in December, 235 people a month. 40 people will get to your site if you're on the front page, only competing with 29 sites and 92. Best place to travel in November, best place to travel in October, all of these. So you get the gist of how to do your keyword research. So this is the tool that I use in order to create content around these particular phrases. You can rank your blog posts. You can rank your YouTube videos, because guess what? YouTube is the second largest platform on the internet because Google owns YouTube. If you rank your site high on YouTube, most likely it'll trickle over into Google sooner or later because Google owns YouTube. So you want to be on those platforms specifically because you want to have your keywords, and that just generates you more traffic. Even if you're not on the first page, you'll still get some of that traffic spill over to you because you're ranking higher. You want to make sure you utilize YouTube. You want to utilize your blog post because those are the things that are actually owned by Google, and you want to get the Google organic traffic. Google is not going anywhere. They still favor text and they favor video just as well. The world is going toward video, so you want to make sure you put yourself on a video platform, but they still favor regular blogs with content because people still read. So you want to have both going in your favor. So those are the things I want to talk about in this video. The next thing we'll talk about is how to set your website up correctly so that when people come from these sources, they'll be able to opt in and they'll be able to visit your website the right way. So guys, have a great day. Click the link in the description to set up for your keyword research tool. It'll be the first link in the description or somewhere in the description. Just look below and it'll say keyword research tool, and you'll click on that link and you'll get a free trial. Now the free trial gives you access to 30 searches. First off, you'll be able to search for 30 key phrases, and then you'll be able to kind of get yourself set up. Write them down, write down your key phrases. If you think it's a good key phrase, write everything down. You have to have a list of keywords because every keyword is not going to rank on the first page of Google just because you have it titled, and just because you have your video with the title. It's not going to work like that. You still have other steps to take to get this to rank, but at least these are the first steps. So the next video, I'm going to show you about your website and how to set everything up correctly so that when people come to your website from this, you're doing the work. So when people come from the work that you're doing, you want to be set up the right way so they won't leave. Too many people have their website set up the wrong way. You go to somebody's website and you can just leave at any time. Nobody even knows you ever been there. So we're going to teach you how to set it up the right way so that when people come, they have to opt in, and then they can go to your website and see what you have to offer. So guys, that's all for now. Click the link in the description. Check out the keyword software tool and click on that and get your free trial. It'll give you 30 searches, and await the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.